So I'm going to show you my top three best financial resource websites. And always, I just want to let you know you can start here on moneybyramey.com. We've got a great dividend learning center. You can sign up for our Live Free and Div Hard newsletter, where we can get you updates on not only dividends but money management in general. So whenever I'm looking for a new stock investment, I usually start over at Seeking Alpha. I find that this site, I really enjoy it. You can see the markets are down big today. But what I really enjoy about this site is that these are articles written by just so many different people with so many different viewpoints. What that does is it allows you to go in, read about a stock. So let's take a big one here for a second. Let's go Google. I currently don't own any stock in Google, but I just use this because everybody knows the name. You can come in here, you can kind of look, you can see where they're at today. You can do a 1 year, get the 1 year high, 52-week high, 52-week low. We can go over here to the 10-year. You can see that's looks like when they went public. So it's just kind of interesting. And like I said, this is a great website. Another thing that I really like too is that this analysis piece. So this is where I think the bread and the butter of the website comes in, of Seeking Alpha, where you can go and check out just different articles written by different authors, and it just gives you, this person thinks it's undervalued. This person, how fast does Alphabet need to grow? It's probably just, it looks like an editor's pick, probably some great insights. So it's fun to go on here, read, get a flavor for a stock before you're looking to invest in it. And again, that's always kind of the starting point where I've gone. And I've actually done some writing for Seeking Alpha as well. I'm working on doing a lot more. Here's me. Tyson Foods, a solid dividend play. I do own these guys in my portfolio. I also like these guys over here, the Dividend Diplomats. They're some good buddies of mine. They have some good insights on stocks as well. So that's definitely something to look into. The second site that I want to take you to is sec.gov. This is where once you get a stock in mind that you want to research, you've kind of gone over the high level overview, you've gone over, hey, this might be something I want to look for. This is where you go in to look at filings. And again, you just click this company filings. This might be pretty high level basic overview for some of you that have been doing stock investing quite a while. But for me, I just wanted to make sure I show my users how to use this website, my readers. So let's go in here. I'm going to search ticker. This is a Tyson ticker. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in. What that's going to do is just give me all their annual reports, all their quarterly reports. These 8Ks are just, I don't even know what some of these are, but 8Ks are anything material to the stock in general. But typically what you're going to look for is you can see in here, I've done a lot of research on a lot of stocks. What I'm typically going over for is like a 10K, 10Q, most of the time the 10Qs. So if you want to research like this, what this does is you get a drive in here and begin to check out the actual 10Q. I just usually click through on the big thing. Like you can see the different Tyson brands. It's kind of cool there. But yeah, this is that document where you can kind of go through. I'm not going to delve over my financial analysis procedures today. I'm just showing you that this is an excellent resource if you want to know a stock really well. And typically, what I do is I look at the high level numbers, kind of read through this. There's certain things that I'm looking for in here, such as debt. You can kind of see here some of their debt. This is one of the sections I'd be looking at. So, like I said, I don't want to get into too much detail, but I just wanted to show you this website because I think it's just fantastic. And if you want to get into investing or just even understand stocks, the markets, anything in more general, I'd just say come in here and a lot of good reading. Companies give you a lot of good information. So that's my second recommendation is sec.gov. And for the last one, I like finviz.com. So my number 3 recommendation is finviz.com. And again, I'm doing this on a day when the markets are down big, which you can see. I mean, just off the bat, I love seeing this chart. It just kind of tells you where different sectors are at, technology services, basic materials. And you come in here, you can just see that, it's not anything inherent necessarily to the market, but it's into the certain stock. It's just the market as a whole is down today. So, there's going to be days like that. There's going to be days where that happens. And today's one of those. I personally choose to look at this as a buying opportunity. But the other thing that I like, and another stock that I bought recently was Goodyear Tire, just because they've been down. They have a nice little bounce going here. But I like that it just gives you a really nice high-level overview summary. You can see, PE ratios, tracking different things, and all these numbers might not mean anything to you yet, but you can click on, I believe you can click on them somewhere. It gives you, there's a definition somewhere within the site you can go to understand what all these ratios mean, how they're calculated. But I feel like, at least for the starting point, this is a really good place to go to. You can also dig into some financial highlights if you want. It brings you over to a different website, it looks like Reuters, where you can go to and check things out. I think Statement might be Market Watch. Yeah, Market Watch. So what this does is this can just give you their annual reports, their annual statements. You can check out trends. So like I said, those three websites right there, Seeking Alpha, great starting point, kind of where I get all my stocks started. Then I hop on to the SEC.gov to get a really good understanding. And I mix in GT in there or at FinViz in there while I'm looking at different stocks. So if you use those three resources, that's a great starting point for your investments. And FinViz also has a really good portfolio management tool. I currently have my portfolio in there. I won't show that to you right now, but it's definitely worth using. That's what I use one of the resources I use to track my portfolio. So as always, I just want to keep making these videos and hope that I can combine it with my writing for you, and that this brings you value. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to get at me at Ramey@moneybyramey.com. And again, be sure to sign up for our Live Free and Div Hard newsletter coming here on the website. It's pretty easy. You can sign up through the link or up top. There's also a call to action button that comes up at you. But yeah, I just want to keep you posted, teach you how to invest my dividend investing strategy way, so that you can keep earning that dividend income. So hopefully you have a great day. Happy investing. This is Matt Ramey. Take care.